Looks good. Hi.
Hello? Oh, you can lower that. What's the W for?
You know, the first settlers here, they put bounties on wolves' heads. Brought the natives into it. Made them hunt them. Didn't take them too long to kill them all. They're back now. Thoughts?
Everything gets a return.
Are you shitting me?
No, I shit you not.
I like this. Just talking. I don't get to meet new people very often. Maybe once every 2 weeks.
That's a lot.
Oh, I work at it. Or we do. Sometimes we find camps, we run through them. But we have traps, too. It's different. It's not like meeting like this. As equals. Little chats in front of a fire with a stranger. That's the closest thing to movies now. I miss the movies. I used to put that down.
Why?
Because I want it. I want everything you have. Every last drop.
Can I keep a little of it? Just to get me through a day or two, you know, just to keep me alive?
I'm taking you too. And you're not exactly gonna be alive. Some of the tribes around here, they thought that the first people were wolves transformed into men. And now, well, you know. Everything gets a return, right?
You can have my supplies. You can have everything. Doesn't need to be any ugliness. But I can't allow you to take me away. I will not allow that.
Don't move. Just be still. Just be still.
You should just go. Now.
No.
Just go. Please.